What's up? My name is Sean K of Heli Direct. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are on this wonderful, wonderful world. I hope you're doing really good today. I had the privilege of traveling to Thailand to go to the Thailand Heli Blowout, which was life-changing. It is the best, most unusual, most craziest, most everything fun fly event I've ever attended. This one is special. It's very unique. The people, where it's held, the facility, the people that go there, the contest that is interwoven with main stage pilots, the best of the best of the best attend this fun fly. And it is just amazing from top to bottom, from beginning to end. It's completely on the go, full throttle the whole time. I had the privilege of meeting and sitting down and getting to know Fabian Kloß. He is a heli pilot, well known in Europe. He was flying the Goosky RS7 when I first met him, and it was one of his sleepy wake-up flights. There was nothing sleepy about it. If you've ever seen him fly, he's an amazing pilot. Him and Duncan, they're both on the same team. But I got a little bit more time to speak with Fabian and kind of get to know him for who he is, what makes him tick, why he loves Rubik's Cubes. I would see him over there going like this. I mean, it affected me so much, I went and got one too. Now, I mixed it up. It's still mixed up. Fabian, I need to call you because it's a thing, man. I might need your help. I was able to have a quick conversation with him. I think you'll like it. Join us.
What's up, guys?
I'm here with Fabian. How do you pronounce your last name?
Kloß.
Kloß?
Yes.
So that character you put on the end of your name is an S?
It's a sharp S.
Sharp
We
S.
only have in Germany.
Oh, only have in Germany.
Yes.
I swear I tried to put this man's name in a finder to pull up his Instagram, and he had to go into the German text to pull it up. So I'm a little, I don't know about German letters, sorry. Okay, so how do you like the RS7?
For sure, one of the best helis I still have flying yet.
Yes.
And it only can get better.
So I saw you take about maybe 50 millimeters off some blades today.
Of 6 of our blades.
Really?
Yeah, I killed 6 blades.
How many times have you crashed this event?
One time.
One time?
Only one time. Yeah.
But the other ones have been small, like little. Oh, you only crashed one time?
Yeah.
Oh, that was the bad one.
Yeah, like a game like this.
Yeah.
And then the low.
Oof.
Crashed it.
That's when the ground jumps up and gets you.
But it wasn't too bad. So.
It wasn't too bad. Awesome. So, what are you flying in your helicopter right now?
At the moment, I fly in Hobby Wing 260.
Okay.
Extova motor.
What KV? What model?
I don't know especially because I have many different.
Okay.
GDV servos.
Okay.
And yeah.
Okay. And what battery connectors are you using?
I don't know.
Supras. I think that's Supras.
Yeah, I will get now Super.
Yeah. Supras. Okay.
Much better.
Awesome. So how long have you been flying?
20 years.
20 years?
Yeah.
So
Like
you,
I've been a little kid.
so 3 years old you started. 4 years old.
Yes.
Okay, so I don't want to ask you, but how old are you?
25.
25. So he's basically been flying since he was 5 years old. So when did you feel like your switch turned on to where you felt like, oh, I'm really good? When did you feel like that?
Never.
No way.
It is like, just how to say that? It is like, as a pilot, you never say like I'm good.
Ah, okay.
Everyone say like, crazy, you're fucking amazing.
Right.
But yourself say like, this was a shit flight. You're just not happy with it.
Got you.
I think everyone has.
Got you. So you feel like you're always improving and you always can be better.
Yeah, for sure.
What maneuver can you not do?
I don't know.
That means he can do all of them.
I train a lot of everyone.
Yeah.
It is not every maneuver is like precise, but I can do this.
What is your most difficult maneuver?
I don't have a difficult maneuver. I try like a lot of reversing. That is really hard.
Okay. So maybe pirouetting TikToks reverse, like skids in or something?
Yeah, for sure.
That's hard?
Yeah, but only low.
You know what? Kyle Stacy said the same thing. I was like, what maneuver can you not do? And he was working on, I think, that maneuver. And he said he could do it, but like Kenny Cole said the same thing. You can do it, but when you get close to the ground, it's really hard.
Yeah.
Because the timing with the cyclic and the collective,
Yes.
you mess up one little millisecond,
Yeah.
it's a ball of fire.
Yeah, for sure.
So, what advice would you give for new heli pilots? Okay, if you could go back in time and say, man, I wish I would have done this.
Train a lot more. I would say. Had like much more fun because I had like times or helicopters. I had not much fun with it. So I think if I had like doing something more special in helicopter flying, like, you know, I'm a little bit crazy now.
Yeah.
But if I was like crazy enough earlier, I think I would like improve like a lot more.
Oh, so you're saying you would have taken more chances back then?
For sure, because like if you're happy,
Yeah.
you'll learn a lot.
Yes.
If you're trying to get like good without being happy, it is like all shit.
Man, so listen, that is really something important.
Yeah.
He said you have to first have fun.
Yeah, that's really important.
You gotta have fun. If you're in this hobby and you're trying to get better and it's really hard and you're crashing, take a day off, take 2 days off, go talk to some friends, go walk on the beach, you know, play some video games, do whatever you have to do to get back to that place where you're having fun with the helicopters.
This was like the same with Corona. I had like 1.5 year break, just play sometime simulator.
Yeah.
And I think this break improved me
Really?
because I had like a clear head. So sometimes break is really good.
See, there you go. And you're a proficient at the Rubik's Cube.
For sure.
For sure. Let's just see how fast you can do it. All right, so hold on. Let me mix this up. All right, I'm gonna mix it hard. Hold on a second. All right, so mix it up really good.
You know, we are very enjoying the event now. So for you American friends, we will show you the best kit that's possible.
All right. Hold on a second.
Don't cheat.
All right. I think this is pretty good, right? What do
Yeah,
you think?
I think so.
Look, hold on a second. All right. Hold on. Now I'm gonna mix it up again a little bit. I want to make this difficult for you. All right. Now look, I'm gonna put a timer, an official timer on here, but that was good.
Yeah, was pretty slow this time, but was
It was good. It was good. Well, thank you, brother. No problem. All right. So you told me too that the Rubik's Cube helps you focus, calm
down,
Yeah.
focus, like don't have stress with it.
Right.
I do it a lot like before flight, after flight, so I don't have like stress, I calm down, and this is I think everyone do with different ways.
Right. Okay. So you use a Rubik's Cube, and you know, some people maybe take a drink of vodka.
For sure.
Right, or some drugs or something. You stay away from that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got you. So, is there anything you want to tell anyone about what's coming up for you? What are you excited about right now? Any of that?
The thing is, I'm really excited about anything about the upcoming events. And I just want to show the new RS7 because I really love it. It's like, for me, a perfect helicopter. And I want to improve to you guys that you can see how good this helicopter is.
Yeah. Well, there it is. He's the man. I've been hanging out with him all weekend. He's cool. He's really fast on the Rubik's Cube. And he puts on a show every time he picks up the transmitter.
And we do like Lots of crazy things.
Lots of crazy things. Give it up for my man Fabian Kloß in the building.
Thank you, Sean.
Heli Direct.
See you.
Peace.